So today you're going to do area of quadrilaterals. And quadrilateral is just a four-sided figure. So first one you're going to learn about is area of a parallelogram. Parallelogram is base times height. So the most important thing to understand is the height, which is right here, and the base have to be perpendicular. Perpendicular means they form a right angle. This right here, this box, means it's a right angle. So we're going to find the area of this parallelogram down here. So A is equal to base times height. So then you're going to do 7 times 14. And I just interchanged these. I know I wrote 7 as the base and 14 as the height. It doesn't matter. You're just basically multiplying them together. So we're going to do 7 times 14, which is 98. So this would be 98 centimeters squared. And area is always squared in the units. Okay, so now we're going to do the area of a trapezoid. So the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height plus the two bases. And a trapezoid has two bases that are parallel with each other, meaning they'll never touch. So here's an example. So we're going to find the area of this trapezoid using the formula A is equal to 1/2 h base 1 plus base 2 h. Another way I can write this formula is A is equal to 1/2 parentheses base 1 plus base 2 all divided by 2, because multiplying by a half is the same thing as dividing by 2. So my height is 16. It's very important to understand. And your two bases, which are parallel of each other, are 17. So you're going to do 17 plus 39 divided by 2. So now you're going to do is you're going to do 17 plus 39, which is 56. So now A is equal to 16 times 56 divided by 2. So you're going to do 16 times 56, which is 196, and then divide by 2, which is 448. So the area of a trapezoid is 448 feet squared. All right, so pause the video and try to find the area of this trapezoid. And I'm going to use the formula A is equal to h parentheses base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. So it says the length of one base is 27, and the length of the other one's 34, and the height's 12. So this would be 12 parentheses 27 plus 34 divided by 2. So I'm going to do 27 plus 34, which is 61. So now you have 12 times 61 divided by 2. So you're going to do 12 times 61, which is 732. And then you're going to divide that by 2, which is 366. So it'd be 366 feet squared. So now we're going to find the area of a rhombus. So the rhombus has diagonals in it. So it is A is equal to 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So you have the formula A is equal to 1/2 diagonal 1 diagonal 2. Or you can write as A is equal to diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. So in this case, the spars, which is the diagonals, measure 15 and 24. So you're going to do 15 times 24 divided by 2. So you're going to do 15 times 24, which is 360. And then you're going to divide that by 2, which is 180. So this is 180 inches squared. So now you're going to find the area of each rhombus. So let's just do 3 and 4. So you can do A is equal to diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. So you can do 35 times 12 divided by 2. So 35 times 12 is 420 divided by 2 is 210. So this is 210. Okay, so let's do 4. So same thing. Diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2 is 9.5 times 14 divided by 2. So we're going to do 14 times 9.5. And you're just going to multiply it like normal. So that's 20 placeholder. Add them up. And then there's one decimal right here, so you're going to move it once right here. So 14 times 9.5 is 133. So now you're going to do 133 divided by 2, which is 66.5. All right, thanks, guys.